Nokia is about to shake the market with another powerhouse smartphone. If you're a fan of Nokia smartphones, then you definitely need to check out the mind-blowing features of this upcoming device. Packed with a 400-megapixel DSLR grade camera and a massive 9500 mAh battery, this phone is set to redefine performance. Yes, we're talking about the all-new Nokia King Max 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full specs, price, and launch details. So let's start. Features of Nokia King Max 5G. Display and design. This beast comes with a stunning 6.75-inch OLED display, featuring 1.5K resolution, and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for ultra-fast unlocking. And guess what? It's protected by the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass 7 for maximum durability. DSLR level camera. When it comes to photography, the Nokia King Max 5G is an absolute monster. It boasts a quad camera setup on the back, led by a jaw-dropping 400-megapixel primary lens. Supporting it are three more lenses, 100-megapixel, 50-megapixel, and 10-megapixel, ensuring pro-level shots in any scenario. And for selfie lovers, a 100-megapixel front camera that'll make every snap Insta-worthy. Performance beast. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, guaranteeing lightning-fast speeds and lag-free multitasking. And for software, it runs on the futuristic Android 16 OS, packed with next-gen features. Battery. Say goodbye to charging anxiety. The Nokia King Max 5G packs a 9500 mAh battery, with 125W ultra-fast charging support. And yes, it comes with a USB Type-C port for quick and convenient charging. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expected to be priced around $590, this phone is a steal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, nothing's confirmed yet, but stay tuned for updates.